Hello again, we're now just heading out of Gtechniq now, and we're going to be turning left, going north up the M1, a long way up the M1, to go and see David Brown, DDB Detailing, who's in North Shields in Newcastle. David is a just super positive guy. He's just a guy with an amazing can-do attitude. He's really responded well to all the opportunities that have presented themselves with the accreditation program. He's working with dealerships. He's now put a van on the road, and that in the first month, he's made that pay. So yeah, just heading onto the M1 now, and we've got a long old drive in the middle of Storm Graham. Okay, we'll see you there.
DDB is a family-run business. There are currently 3 generations of family members that work here. We have myself and my wife as director, and our daughter works for us, and my dad helps us out as well. The most important member of the family is Weller, our detail and support hound, our 10-year-old Labrador. He comes to work every day with us, and we have a number of clients that will come and visit the dog. I became a pro detailer 10 years ago this year. I got into detailing through detailing my own vehicles initially, and then family and friends' vehicles, and then we set DDB up in 2009. Majority of what we work on is new cars. We have a number of high-level dealerships right round the corner, and we have contacts within all of those dealerships, and we have a lot of clients that buy from those dealers. So new car details are the core of our business. We have access to the Pro-only coating Crystal Serum Ultra. That is actually our most commonly bought option. It's the one we offer to everybody. And basically, as we offer the entire service. We have a team here at DDB. We're not a one-man band. There is 5 or 6 of us working. Gtechniq was a brand that was up and coming when we started, and we liked the whole ethos of the brand. We liked the products. Smart glass was one of the very first products that we used, the G1, and was blown away by it. That is still to this day the first product I apply on any new car I buy. We launched last year a mobile aftercare service, and we were struggling at the unit to look after the amount of cars that we were ceramic coating, which is currently at about 500 to 600 over the last 5 years. The one behind me has just made it into the top 5, the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. That one is the first car that we've actually treated with the new Gtechniq product Halo. We supply all our customers with a wash guide, and follow that wash guide, use the correct products, and more importantly, don't let a dealership wash your car when you put it in for service.